Hey, what's up guys, it's Henry Neil here, and today Tecno just announced the Tecno Camon 16 series. There are 3 new devices in total: the Camon 16, the Camon 16 Pro, and the Camon 16 Premier. I have the Camon 16 Premier here, and this is my unboxing. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, do hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you get a lot of new videos when they're posted. Let's get started. So in the box, you're greeted with the first compartment that has the Tecno branding that's embossed on it, and in that compartment you have a 12+1 month warranty card and a transparent rubber case. Digging further, you'd find the Tecno Camon 16 Premier. We're going to set this aside for now. Further down in the box, we have a 33-watt super fast charger, a pair of earphones, and a USB-A to USB-C data and charging cable. And in other news, Tecno is also introducing their true wireless earbuds. It's called the Tecno HiPods H2, and from the writings on the box, it claims no strings, no stress, and 24 hours non-stop music. Well, let's take a look and see what it looks like. So in the box for the HiPods H2, we get a user manual, we get a micro USB to USB-A charging cable, extra pair of ear tips, and then the HiPod pebble-like case. And it looks quite good. It feels smooth to the hand, but not very premium. Opening the HiPods H2 case, we have a shiny pair of true wireless earbuds. We'll be checking these out later. Let's go on to review the specs on the Tecno Camon 16 Premier. The Tecno Camon 16 Premier is powered by the MediaTek Helio G90T chip, and this chip is one of the better offerings out there. It's a gaming-centric chip and performs decently from what we've seen in the Infinix Zero 8. It has a powerful Mali G76 GPU, and the Tecno Camon 16 Premier is also paired with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. The device flaunts a 6.9-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with a very nice 90Hz refresh rate and a pill-shaped punch hole. The cutter comprises dual selfie cameras, one 48-megapixel main and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide snapper. The fingerprint scanner is sitting on the side and also doubles as the power key. It's nice to know that Infinix and Tecno are finally implementing what their customers have been asking for: better chipset, better display, and better build quality. I hope they've also made the software better. Well, we'll find out real soon. Moving around to the back, we have a quad camera setup sitting on a squarish camera module. The main camera is a 64-megapixel Sony IMX686 sensor, and we also have an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter. There are 2 additional 2-megapixel units for night photos and portraits. The Camon 16 Premier boasts a 4500 mAh battery, complete with a generous 33-watt fast charging. You may have also noticed some similarities between the Camon 16 Premier and the Infinix Zero 8. Well, that's not really a big surprise. After all, Infinix and Tecno are part of Transsion Holdings. It's like parents who have twin children. The twins basically have the same genetic makeup and the same look, but the parents dress them up differently to tell them apart. If you like my analogy, do hit that like button. Taking a look at the software, the Camon 16 Premier is running on Android 10 with iOS 7 skin, and it comes with a load of bloatware, which I'm obviously going to thrash immediately. It would be cool to see an Android 1 variant of this phone, and just thinking of it feels refreshing. But back to reality, the UI looks decent and the 90Hz display makes everything feel much smoother, and thanks to that 1080p resolution, also look better. Just before we go, let's take a look at how the new Tecno HiPods pair with the 16 Premier. With respect to the sound on the HiPods H2, well, they sound pretty decent. The mids and the lows are average at best, while the highs are almost non-existent. I hope that Tecno tunes this by the time the retail version becomes available, but nevertheless, these sound really decent. Moving on, the Tecno Camon 16 Premier performs decently. I mean, it's smooth, it's got a 90Hz refresh rate display, it's got that Helio G90T processor for really smooth gameplay, and every game I threw at it played smoothly. So performance on this phone shouldn't be a problem if that's what you're worried about. In the price department, the Tecno Camon 16 Premier costs 115,800 Naira. That's about $250. This is a good price for this device and shouldn't put a huge dent in your pocket. It also makes this device a more compelling option in the sea of smartphones out there and an easy recommendation. If Tecno continues this route of giving us great hardware and software experience with good pricing, we can safely say that the Tecno brand still has a foothold in the smartphone market here in the motherland. Guys, if you have any question on the Tecno Camon 16 Premier, do leave them in the comment section, and let's take out the next 5 seconds to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Remember to turn on notifications for alerts on new video. I'll be posting my review on the cameras for this device in the next few days. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. Peace.